Guys, good afternoon to everyone. You know that goals are like to achieve something, to give a great success in your life. So every human being must have set the goals in their life. So my short-term goals would be like brand manager as soon as possible, and to be a great leader in my professional career. And long-term goals would be like that to buy my own house in the couple of years or the next 4 to 5 years. And I wanted to like improve my contributions to the development of knowledge and the mankind, and to be happy all the time, and to make my family happy. That's also like one of my long-term goals. So whatever the goals I have achieved in my life, like to become a like great leader, to become a manager, so I have to that visualize these things in my to day life. Supposed to be I just wake in the morning, and that from the day one, from the morning itself, I have to make plan in my mind that how will I work on today, how I will just divide the work to my team members. So what are the things, what are the points are there to learn today with my manager and with my seniors and with my colleagues as well. So from the day one, I will act as a manager. I will take all the responsibilities on my shoulder, on my mind. Whatever the complaints are there, whatever, I will give my like that 100% contribution to my work. So that really makes me the strong in in confident. That really makes me strong in leadership skills. That makes me much strong that makes me much more efficient in to become to in a managerial things. So basically, in my peace time, I will just learn those things. I will just browse those things, whatever the topic has given by Mithun sir to us about that all, that about the brands, about the wines and whiskeys, about the restaurants, about the clubs. And the one of the most important thing, I will just, that in my peace time, I will just think about my weaknesses, where the things are lacking into me, to on the way to be on the way to the manager, on the way to a great leader. So on the way to the leadership skills, all the team buildings, and I will definitely improve those things by learning, by working, by learning from my manager, by learning from my seniors. So the last point is that no to my buttons. Basically, it's nothing but a success, because that whatever I have just planned in my life, in my professional life or in my personal life, so whenever I will just achieve those things, so that would be a great success that really motivates in my life. So for these things, I will just day to day basis, I just work on it. I just learn the new skills of gaining management knowledge, new skills of efficient managers. That really motivates me in my also personal life. Whatever that I have just planned in my life, to buy my own house, to make my family happy. So for these things also, I just think on my plans, on my goals, and I just implement on these things. And in my, if I talk about my professional life, so the day to day work, I plan the things, I do it. I always try to do it in a correct way. I always try to do in a perfect way. I take all the responsibilities and all the managerial work uh, on my shoulder and on my head. So these things, that success, the great thing, great point is success. Success really motivates me in my life, because for these things, whatever I just do, whatever I just learn, whatever I just gain, so that really motivates me in my life. And sometimes also my seniors also, I have seen their working style, I have seen their working culture, how they work on daily to day basis. That's also really motivates me. So I gain few things, I gain that few points from them, and I try to put on my day to day work, and also I try to put in my personal life as well. Thank you so much.